Hello, live from Computex 2011. Welcome to Arctic. Today I'm gonna introduce you our latest headset. It's a Bluetooth stereo headset. You can pair it with mobile phone, with computers. You can see here a little tiny microphone, very convenient. Will be available in several colors. The interest is you have a lithium battery inside, 10 hours lifetime. So whenever you travel, you go to the gym, you are bothered with the music around, up, you put your stereo and you feel relaxed. It's really, really convenient. You put in the case, you can charge through mini USB. Whenever you go, when I travel, I bring it with me. It's in the suitcase. Women like it. I like it. You will like it. Thank you.